Need a few creative ideas? We'll show you how to make cool decorating items out of available materials. Make your phone conversations soft and tender with this fluffy phone case. Take a clear case. Hot glue lots of color pom-poms on it. This awesome phone case looks much more like a soft toy. What's this? Is it your fluffy mat? No, it's my new soft phone case. It's amazing! I've got my own little fluffy thing. It's a cute pink bunny phone case. Take a white phone case. Paint it pink. Use nail polish. Take a piece of pink fur to make a fluffy tail. Hot glue to the bottom of the case. Make 2 ears from thin cardboard. Cut out the same 4 details from pink felt. Hot glue the 2 ear halves. Sandwich the cardboard element to make it upright. Stick the ears to the top. Oh, sweetie! The pink bunny phone case will be your cutest accessory. Your friends will be delighted. The pink fluffy bunny is amazing. Oh heck, these earphones have got tangled again. I'm sick and tired of it, but my friend seems to know the way out. Draw 4 lines inside a phone case. Use a ruler. Cut them down with a craft knife. We've got 4 cuts. Pass earphones through the cuts. They set tight. This smart idea will spare much of your time and effort. Do you want to create a modern art masterpiece? Then watch our next case idea. Choose the brightest colors. Take a clear phone case and a lot of different nail polishes. The more colors you take, the better the result will be. Apply drops and streaks of different colors. You can pour the polish straight from the bottle. This awesome phone case can be exhibited in a modern art gallery. The bright abstract case will add color to your phone. You can make it quickly and easily. And what's more, you don't have to be good at painting to feel like an artist for a while. Balloons can create great fun at a kid's party, but they can also make simple and practical phone cases. Place your phone on a balloon. Hold it tight while letting the air out. Finally, the rubber grasps your phone, transforming the balloon into a bright, practical case. It's a great idea to entertain your friends. Besides, you can use this hack if you happen to leave your phone without a case. Do you want a phone case shaped like a lipstick? You'll be the only one with such an unusual phone. Make a container first. Trace the case on the foam rubber sheet. Cut it out. Make a red lipstick now. Keep in mind a camera hole. Draw the top aslant like the real lipstick. Cut it out. Cut out the camera hole with a craft knife. Don't forget about the side buttons. Keep them uncovered. Cut them out. Attach the lipstick using double-sided tape. You can use the multi-purpose glue instead. Tape the container. Attach the edges with the multi-purpose glue. Add a light strip. Glue a famous makeup brand logo. You can find the picture in the description of the video. Cool! The big lipstick phone case. It's nice to touch and very convenient. It won't slip off your hand. Is there no place for the makeup in your purse? Make a 2-in-1 phone case. A case and a makeup holder. Sounds weird? No way! Take a glossy, bold red fabric. Trace the case on the wrong side. Mark the allowances. Cut it out. Make a gap for the side buttons. Hot glue the edges and fold up. We've got a pocket. Attach it to the case, leaving the top loose. Add a makeup brand logo. Glue a paper lipstick inside. Put in your favorite makeup. The smart 2-in-1 phone case and makeup holder will always keep your makeup at hand. Another phone case idea will take a little time and effort. We've printed out the makeup pictures. You can find them in the video description. Cut out each item. See how they fit the case. Attach with the multi-purpose glue. It's quick and easy. You can print out whatever you like. It's a great idea for those who like changing the phone case designs. This gorgeous gift card has inspired us to create a phone case decoration. Let's make it in the same style. The lip color may be different, but we like this weird combination so much we want to use it again. Start by painting your phone case black. Use acrylic paint. If your case is small in size, place the smile horizontally. Make sure to fasten the glitter with the hairspray or clear nail polish. Cool! Apply stunning makeup to match your sparkly phone case and go straight for a photo shoot. Does your clear phone case look not as good as it used to? We can change it easily. Make your phone eye-catching. Take a silicone case, patterned and silver glittered tape. Attach the tape strips to the case. Fold the ends inside. Make sure they are well secured. Combine the strips. Add a bit of glitter. Continue taping. Make a sparkly edging. Put the case on your phone. You can combine the strips in a different way, getting a new design each time. Take the tapes of a different color palette to cover the whole case. We won't fold the strips inside this time. It's a good way to give your old phone case a new life. Quickly and easily, we've got a new smart accessory. Better get a snack before you start the pizza case. It's quite mouth-watering. Take a small foam rubber piece. Draw a wavy-edged triangle. Cut it out. The uneven sides will create a slightly natural effect. Draw a border between the topping and the golden crust. Now, sketch the topping. Start with sausage. Use nail polish and an art brush to paint it. Four pieces will do. Add some mushrooms. Keep in mind, pizza sauce. As it often lightens when baked, we have chosen an orange color. Add some natural features to the sausage. Add some more topping details. Let's animate it. Draw a lovely face using a permanent marker. Outline the eyes with a pencil first. Then, define with the marker. Make the eyes different in size to make the funny face. Start painting! Color the background brighter to create a slight 3D effect. Define the details with a black pen. Okay, we've got the cute cartoon pizza slice. It's a great idea for a boring black case. Attach with multi-purpose glue. It took around 10 minutes to decorate your case with a charming pizza slice. Try it on your smartphone. Cool! Will you call your local pizzeria to order pizza right now? Write about cases you want to craft in your comments. Share this video with your friends and be sure to hit the bell. We keep making fresh projects for you.